Do you feel confused about the information versus myths floating around on dry hair and are looking for some clarity regarding the information, what is true and what's false? So you are at the right place. Today we'll be talking about myths on dry hair. Hi, I'm Dr. Jaspreet Kour, a dermatologist and a trichologist with wide experience in treating skin and hair disorders. So today we'll be talking about dry hair myths. Dry hair can never be fixed. So this is a huge myth. Yes, to some extent your hair quality and hair type is determined by hereditary factors and it's genetic, but lifestyle factors play a huge role in taking care of your hair. So make sure that you're using the right products, the right shampoo, conditioner, oil, and even hair masks, leave-in conditioner, and then dry hair won't be a problem. Do not comb dry hair. This is a huge myth. Your scalp has certain oils in it, natural oils and sebum. When you comb, this comes through your shaft till here. So it not only brings shine and moisture, but at the same time makes your hair appear smoother. So it's very important that you comb thoroughly and with the right technique as well. Myth number 3. Nutrition has nothing to do with dry brittle hair. This is again a huge myth. Your hair is a protein structure, so it requires adequate amount of protein in your diet as well. Make sure that your diet is rich in protein, amino acids, even minerals. Zinc and omega-3 deficiency is also very important for dryness. In case your diet is not very healthy, then you can even add on some supplements which has biotin, zinc, minerals like selenium, potassium, all these elements in them. So this will not only help with hair dryness, but at the same time with hair fall and hair growth as well. Myth number 4. Chemical-based treatments help in hydrating your hair. So though coloring, straightening, rebonding and heat-based products and tools can give you a very polished and smooth appearance, but this does not mean that your hair is getting hydrated and nourished. Over a period of time, this is in fact stripping off the cuticle layer of your hair, which can cause a lot of hair fall, hair damage, and even frizzy hair. So in the short term, it might work, but in the long term, it's never a good option. You can reduce the frequency of these treatments if at all required. Most of us go to great lengths to take care of our hair. But when it comes to hair dryness, it's all about the basics. Using the right hair products, the right shampoo, conditioner, technique to wash your hair, even the right hair oil will go a long way. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries or comments, you can put up in the comment section and we'll be answering them. Do follow and subscribe us.